Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and I've been back after a very long time with a brand new unboxing and complete review of the TEMPT CineBar. Now this is a 24-watt portable Bluetooth soundbar. You can use it as a soundbar for your TV or just like a portable Bluetooth speaker as well. Now this is a budget-friendly beast launched recently in India at just $16.99. Price may come down a bit based on sales and other offers. So here's the box. It is nice and compact with the soundbar image on the front. We have some highlights as well, like the RGB strip, sleek black design. On the sides, they even mentioned main specs: 24 watts output, dual base radiators, Bluetooth 5.4, TWS support, that's basically talking about the stereo support, and up to 8 hours of battery backup. Let's open it up. Inside, the soundbar is securely packed in a foam cradle protected by plastic. First impression, it feels very well protected. At least I don't have to worry about it being damaged in transit. Next, we have a Type-C charging cable and user manual, which is also a warranty card. Now let's have a closer look at it. It's completely made of plastic, feels solid and premium for the price. It has a smooth matte black finish all around, so keeping it clean will be easy. On the front, we have the metal grille with TEMPT logo and the media buttons. We got 4 buttons: play or pause, volume control, and a dedicated mode button. On the back, we have all the ports, basically the USB Type-C charging port, aux port, USB port, TF card slot, and a dedicated switch to power it on and off. Now finally at the bottom, it has 2 slightly elevated rubber feet. It definitely helps with the grip and maintains distance from the surface. We also have some information at the center. It says made in India, and it has an input of 5 volts at 1 amp, so that's basically 5 watts. So no fast charging, you can use a basic charger to charge it. Design wise, it's super compact, perfect for desks, small rooms, or taking outside. Now for controls, we have just got 4 buttons on the front. They work fine without any issues. On the back, we have all the ports. At least when you look from the front, it looks very clean. So design wise, no issues. Now, if you have noticed, the speakers are not front firing like with most other speakers. They actually have an angle to them, probably around 30 to 45 degrees. So they feel as if they're firing upwards. That's definitely one of the major differences you'll notice from this with other portable speakers. Now the overall setup process is pretty simple. Just turn it on, you get a nice startup sound. Then it enters Bluetooth pairing mode. Then you can search your Bluetooth settings, find CineBar, click on it, and you'll be paired. It also has an auto pairing feature, so once you turn on the speaker, it automatically connects to the old device. Switching modes is pretty easy. Click on the mode button and you can switch between USB, TF card, aux. Great for offline playback. But for this review, I'll be just testing the Bluetooth part. If you want more information, just comment below this video. Now this Bluetooth speaker has a 4000 mAh battery and the company claims up to 8 hours of playback. And as there is no fast charging, it takes about 3 hours to charge it completely from 0 to 100%. With that said, I'm really thankful for the Type-C charging port. Now for the main part, how does it sound? At this particular price point, it is really impressive. You're getting 24 watts of output and it gets really loud without much distortion. These dual bass radiators definitely deliver great bass. Mids are clear for vocals and dialogues. Highs are crisp but not harsh. I've tested the speaker with movies, trailers and songs and I didn't find any issues. Like for the price, it's really good. You can also answer calls on the speaker and it sounds okay. Like I had a call with my friend for like 10 minutes. He didn't have any major issues. So guys, for the pros and cons, it's an excellent value for money. You get a pretty good bass as well. It's portable with long battery life. You also get RGB lighting if that's your thing. And finally, it also has multiple connectivity options, which is a nice add-on option. Now for the cons, I'll say there are none. But if I have to nitpick a few, just for the sake of saying, there is no dedicated app control. Like for Android or iOS, there is no app to control EQ or do any kind of customization. It does have good bass, but don't expect too much, especially for the price. As I've said, it's a portable Bluetooth speaker, but it's not too small. You can't easily carry it in a bag, but If you just want something to use it in your home, move it around, then this is definitely a great choice. Now these buttons look pretty nice, but they feel a bit clicky. Like you can hear the sound. I wish it was a bit more softer. That's like the only con. Anyway, I've been using these speakers for 3-4 days and I haven't clicked on any of these buttons. Like I've been using it as a Bluetooth speaker and all the volume controls are from the phone itself, so it's not a big problem. So guys, this is the TEMPT CineBar. If you're in the market looking for a Bluetooth speaker to use it mainly indoors or in a very secure way, then you can definitely consider it. For the price, it's definitely worth it. So guys, what do you think about this speaker? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you have any questions, once again do the same. We'll get back to you immediately. With that said, see you in my next video.